Yo, what's good? It's your boy Food Addict back at it with another YouTube video, fam. Today we got the um, khẩu qua. It's the bitter melon soup, Vietnamese soup, bitter melon and shrimp. Bitter melon is great to for curing cancer, fam. Proven by science. All right, let's get a bowl of rice and pour the soup in, and we're gonna eat. And I tried to make this video kosher, huh? My last video, I messed up the clip, so my apologies. All right, nothing but the best, fam. Tiger rice cooker. Have some rice left. And I'll try to stretch this out to 30 minutes. We need 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours. Get a bowl. Haven't had any new subs within the last week, but you know, we'll keep grinding this YouTube thing. All right, we got some rice now. Just pour in the soup, fam. We were supposed to go to the state fair today, but wifey changed her mind. I think I have a cold, so just kind of rest up, eat this, drink some nitro, and go to bed. Bitter melon and shrimp. Bitter melon, stuffed bitter melon is even better. Yeah. Bitter melon stuffed with is it fish? I'm not sure what they stuff it with. My mom makes that dish really good. All right, bitter melon and shrimp. Let's go. Still steaming hot, fam. Sorry, I'm still waiting for my my new ring light. This one's too tall, so the view's not gonna be that good. Two more days. 2 more days. The ring light's gonna be home. Still piping hot. Bitter melon, fam. Wow, it's really hot. Gonna stretch this out to 30 minutes. We need 4,000 watch hours. Please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell, fam. I was gonna go out and shoot the state fair today, but wifey changed her mind. All good. We'll go next year. Go get some napkins. The braised pork video, for some reason, the clips were mixed around, but that's okay. I'm just gonna keep it up, you know. The zipline video got some views. Zipline in Colorado. And Gatlinburg 4K. Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Seems like in the beginning, the longer the video, the better. YouTube tends to recommend really long videos. It's best to eat soup with a soup spoon, of course. Yeah, I kind of neglected Food Addict for like 3 months or something, you know. But now we're back at it. Because I don't do TikTok much anymore. I only use it for the text-to-voice feature, but my main TikTok account got banned, so screw TikTok. And Facebook's Reels kind of in limbo for some reason. I don't know, it's because Labor Day weekend or I don't know. I tried to email them about the September Facebook Reels bonus. Still haven't heard back from them. But YouTube's been awesome. Yeah. YouTube has been awesome, fam. Most of you guys know me from my main channel, and I really appreciate it. All the newcomers, if you guys enjoy gig economy, please subscribe to my main channel. But if you only like food and travel, this channel is the place. We're waiting for the ring light to come home. This one's only good for like standing up. That one's too tall for sitting down. Yeah, I think I got cold. My throat's like really sore. I almost killed it. I don't know if I can go to bed or not. But I can't have to go back out up there and work. That way I get tired so I can sleep, you know. All done, fam. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you guys on the next one.